Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial of Wix site. So today I'm going to show you how you can give a scroll effect to a strip background. So let's say if you want to add a scroll behavior to any of the section which has a image at the background, then you just simply need to add a animation to it, which is called a scroll animation. So that is what I am going to show you in this tutorial. So to start with, I have opened one of the editor of my website. So as you can see, this is the first strip, and it has an image at the background. It is set as a strip background. So at the background of strip, that's the image, and just click on it. So already there is a scroll effect added, which is parallax. So I will just show you by previewing it how it works. Basically, the parallax effect. Okay, so this is how it works. I'm scrolling it, and this is how the image is moving. I hope you are getting whatever I am saying here. So I'm going to show you particularly the zoom out effect. So here there are many effects that you can give. So total there are like 14 effects. So I will just in this video or tutorial I am going to show you zoom out effect. I have just selected it and now I am going to preview it. And you can see it has the zoom out effect, but that effect only comes when you scroll. That is why it is called scroll animations. So I hope you got or understood whatever I am going to show. So I hope you liked it. I hope you understood it. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more such videos. And I'm going to add a bunch of videos on this about Wix, and also comment down on what else you want to know about Wix sites and any other site from this YouTube channel. So thanks for watching.